Holiday and New Year's Eve entertaining can be tricky. Some guests just want a few nibbles while others may be famished. Thankfully, Chef Jamie Gwen is here and she has some simple ways to strike that perfect balance. And because friends and family can drop by, she also has some pantry essentials that will have them thinking you knew they were coming all along. Hi, Chef.
Chef Jamie Gwen here. This holiday season, I've partnered with Teleflora, the world's leading floral delivery service, to send beautiful hand-delivered floral arrangements. The new Christmas lineup includes their vibrant Christmas centerpiece and Teleflora's vintage sleigh ride bouquet. And I love that they're always made by hand, delivered to your doorstep by a local florist, and complete with a keepsake container. Order yours at teleflora.com. Now, I always love a beautiful charcuterie board at the holidays, but when a last-minute gift exchange pops up or in-laws drop in, you don't need to spend hours on a giant party platter. With delicious Kellogg's crackers on hand, you can create a quick and easy, impressive charcuterie board using Townhouse, Toasteds, Cars, and Club crackers. Look for the QR code on their limited edition holiday-themed packages for charcuterie board recipes. Check out kellogg's.com/spreadjoy. Another must on my charcuterie boards is, of course, olives. It's all about the quality of olives. And with pearls, you know you're covered. From buttery black ripe olives to blue cheese or garlic stuffed specialties, mix and match your favorite savory olive flavors for an easy appetizer. Pearls are America's favorite olives for good reason. They're a family-owned company, so you know when you buy pearls to share this holiday season, you're buying the best. And for an easy appetizer, you can never go wrong with bacon. I created these bacon lollipops using the thick cut Wright brand Applewood smoked bacon. Simply skewer about a 1-inch piece of their bacon and grill it to tender perfection. Then use the Wright brand bacon because it's hand cut, hand trimmed, and real wood smoked. The recipe's been perfected for over 100 years, so you get that sweet, smoky, fabulous flavor with the Applewood present in every bite. For more inspiration and recipes, visit dailylounge.com. Happy holidays, and back to you.
Thanks, Chef.